Hey, what do y'all want for breakfast this morning?
Donuts and coffee sound good to you, sir?
No.
You don't want donuts and coffee?
I love bacon.
Well, we'll add some bacon to it. Does that sound good?
Nah,
How about Daddy eats the donut
I don't.
and you have the bacon?
Okay. Let's go back.
Sarah, you want some more coffee?
Yes.
Come over here and pour you some more coffee.
Where's the coffee?
Uh-oh. Oh no.
We're out of coffee!
Wait a minute. That's okay. Look, I'll just make some more. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Something sounds wrong. Something's
Where's the coffee?
horribly wrong. Well, that's okay. I'll just get some. Oh no. Ah!
Where's the coffee?
No coffee!
Where's the coffee?
Must have restoration! Coffee, 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 coffee!
My what?
Ah!
Daddy!
Cut 3.
Coffee. Coffee. No coffee. Coffee. Need coffee. No coffee.
What does it do, Daddy?
Not just any coffee, but
I need restoration in the mornings.
secret place coffee.
Yes.
Come on,